Hey guys, what's up? This is KittyPie88. Thanks so much for tuning back in. I am here with a wig review, as y'all saw. I did receive this wig from MyShinyWigs. It is a 22-inch headband wig, deep wave. So let's get right into it. I won't talk too much because I did show a lot of information at the beginning, but just wanted to come to you all and just show you this deep wave wig. Now, I did review a wig like this not too long ago, and I did kind of use that wig. I brushed it out, sprayed it with water, and I wanted to see how the curl pattern looked after I did that. But this one, I won't do that. I'm loving this curl pattern, and I really don't want to change it. Now, if you do want to co-wash your wigs, you definitely can. I won't co-wash this one. I probably will just go out just like this today. So I know my headband and my sweater isn't matching. I just went ahead, I had to get this review out of the way. But I love this unit. It is a pretty deep wave unit. No shedding or anything so far. I tried to kind of style it a little different, but I just love wearing these headband wigs straight, straight as far as, you know, no ponytail, no up, down, nothing. I just love wearing them down. And like I said, this headband did not come with this unit, but this unit did come with 4 amazing headbands and a little pouch with some goodies in there, with a rat tail comb, an edge brush, a makeup eye brush, and 2 wig caps. So this unit is complete with 4 combs. It does not have adjustable straps, and it does have a headband with Velcro. Like I said, it's 22-inch. From MyShinyWigs. I really love the packaging that MyShinyWigs has, the pink silk bag. It was really beautiful. I love the packaging, and it's just a very sturdy box. I know you ladies have seen some of those boxes where it's all beat up in transit and everything. Nope. And this one arrived really quickly via FedEx, I think 3 days. So shipping is really quick, which I love. And the quality is amazing. It is very shiny. It does not have that really bad smell to it, and it's really soft. Now I am getting a few, like I can't really run my fingers directly through it, but that's to be expected with curly units. But the hair is soft. It probably will need to be brushed out and put some product in it just to make it a little bit smoother, you know, run your fingers smooth. But it's great. I'm not getting any shedding, and it's very soft. I do feel like this hair will get really big if it's brushed out, but I am loving this curl pattern. It is so beautiful. Perfect for the winter time. I can handle a lot of hair on my head, and this is big hair. I will say the density is about 130, because in the back here I am feeling a few thin areas. I wouldn't suggest wearing all the hair straight like this on your shoulders, because I want to turn around and show you. Like with it being spread out like that, I am seeing a space here. So you're going to have to concentrate the hair in the middle just to cover that. But of course, you know, with these affordable units, you're not going to get huge, super big density. But I really think for an affordable headband unit, this is a lot of hair you're getting. And it's very nice, very thick to the end. This is a great unit for the winter time, anytime really. I love this curl pattern. Like, it's really beautiful. It's a little different than the one I reviewed before, but that was from a totally different company. So that's the only thing I would say, is that area in the back. You just have to be careful with the thin area. But other than that, you can style this thing, put the ponytail in up at the top, leave some down at the bottom. A very versatile wig, of course. So if you guys are loving this one, the link will be in the description box to MyShinyWigs, directly to this wig and other wigs that they have to offer. So thanks so much for tuning in, you guys. I didn't want it to be too long, but I'm loving this unit. Let me know if you love it as well. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in again, you guys. Love you. Happy holidays. Bye.